Welcome to MotorHub 1003, where we dive into the legends, the icons, and the turning points of automotive history. Today, we're paying homage to a car that didn't just follow a legacy. It challenged it, evolved it, and surpassed it. The 2014 Ferrari LaFerrari, the revolutionary hybrid hypercar that stepped into the Enzo's shoes and filled them with fire. When Ferrari announced they were making a hybrid, the world held its breath. Could Maranello really blend silent electric motors with a screaming V12 and still deliver a true Ferrari experience? What we got was something the automotive world didn't expect. A 963 horsepower masterpiece that proved electricity wasn't the future. It was the now at LaFerrari wasn't just a successor to the Enzo. It was Ferrari unleashed, redefining performance and rewriting its own rulebook. The Enzo was a mechanical marvel, raw, analog, and brutally fast. But LaFerrari took that spirit and added science, tech, and precision. Under the sleek, sculpted carbon fiber skin was a 6.3-liter V12 paired with an electric motor, creating a hybrid system Ferrari called HY-KERS. This wasn't about saving fuel. This was about instant torque, perfect balance, and adding even more speed to an already ridiculous formula. LaFerrari didn't just run with the hypercar elite, it helped define it. Alongside the McLaren P1 and Porsche 918 Spyder, it completed the holy trinity of hybrid hypercars, but with a sound and soul only Ferrari could deliver. From the low-slung nose to the aggressive rear diffuser, LaFerrari looks like it was sculpted by speed itself. Every vent, every curve, every angle is functional, built to slice air and generate downforce. The cabin is stripped down and focused, driver-first, race-inspired, exactly what you'd expect from a company with Formula One DNA. This wasn't just a car. It was an aerodynamic weapon, wrapped in art. With only 499 units produced, the LaFerrari was always destined to be rare. But its hybrid tech, combined with raw Ferrari energy, has cemented its place as one of the most desirable modern exotics ever made. Values have skyrocketed. Ownership is exclusive. And spotting one in the wild? Practically a once-in-a-lifetime moment. At MotorHub 1003, we celebrate the machines that move the world forward, and LaFerrari is a prime example. It honored the Enzo while challenging everything that came before it. It proved that performance doesn't have to compromise and that even in a hybrid future, passion and power can still reign supreme. So here's to the LaFerrari, the car that made electricity emotional and brought the hybrid hypercar roaring into the Ferrari bloodline. Drop your thoughts below. Does LaFerrari deserve the throne after the Enzo? Or is there an even greater Ferrari in the making? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your foot on the throttle only on MotorHub 1003.